এখন আমরা দেখব যে কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 11 জিকের কোশ্চেন। ওকে, হোয়ার দ্য ইউএসএসডি হেল্ড ইন, চারটে অপশান দিয়েছে, জোহেনেসবার্গ, ব্রাজিল, লন্ডন, প্যারিস। সো রাইট আনসার ইজ জোহেনেসবার্গ। জোহেনেসবার্গ ইজ in South Africa. So WSSD means World Summit on Sustainable Development. It actually held in 2002. Okay, it held in Johannesburg, South Africa. Okay, so option A is the right answer. Now next question, which of the following was first made indigenous colored film in India? Now 4 options are given. The right answer is option C, Kisan Konna. Kisan Konna film is the first indigenously made Indian film which is a color film. It actually happened in 1937. Okay, 1937 এই সিনেমাটা রিলিজ হয়েছিল, দ্য সিনেমা ওয়াজ রিলিজড। Now the first option is also a MCQ question, important question, that is Alama Ara. Alama Ara is the first sound film in India that is released in 1931. Okay, এখন অপশান বি পথের পাঁচালী, it is based on বিভূতিভূষণ বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়ের রাইটিং নোভেল পথের পাঁচালী and directed by সত্যজিৎ রায়, and because of it mainly Satyajit Ray got the lifetime achievement award for Oscar. Okay, and Devdas is also a film by Sharat Chandra Chattopadhyay based on his novel. Okay, that is Devdas was made in feature film, showcased in film many a times. Okay, the latest was acted by Shah Rukh Khan and renowned actor Madhuri Dixit, and I think these type of actors. Okay, now so option A and option C both are MCQ question, and here first colored film is Kisan Konya. Now moving on to the next question. This is a also important question from biology or environment point of view, that is competitive exclusion principle was denoted by, so option B is the right answer, Gauss. Okay, other option Darwin, Lamarck, Kodam is not the right answer. Okay, now what is competitive exclusion principle? That is two species with identical niche cannot coexist indefinitely. দুটো পিসিসের যদি আইডেন্টিক্যাল নিচ হয় তারা ইনডিপেন্ডেন্টলি কোএক্সিস্ট করবে না। কি হবে তাহলে? আইদার নিচ চেঞ্জ উইল অকার, হ্যাঁ, 4 রকম এফেক্ট হতে পারে। নিচ চেঞ্জ হতে পারে, ডমিনেন্স হতে পারে, এক্সটিনশন হতে পারে, আর এভলিউশন হতে পারে। ওকে, এই 4টে হবে। তো এটা হয়েছিল 1934-এ জর্জি ফ্যাঙ্কেসেভিক গস, ইনি এই প্রিন্সিপালটা ডিনোট করেছিলেন। নাও এখান থেকে আসছে যে আইডেন্টিক্যাল নিস। হোয়াট ইজ আইডেন্টিক্যাল নিস? সো হোয়াট ইজ নিস উই হ্যাভ টু নো ফার্স্ট। নিস ইজ, দেখুন আমরা লিখেছি, নিস ইজ এ রোল অফ অ্যান অর্গানিজম প্লে ইন ইকোসিস্টেম। ওকে, সেটা কি? সে রোলটা কি? ইট, interaction with other species, other organism, ঠিক আছে, অ্যান্ড দিস ইজ এ সাবসেট অফ হ্যাবিট্যাট। ঠিক আছে, তো এখন দুটো স্পিসিস যদি একই রকম খাবার হয় তার ফলে কী হবে? কম্পিটিশান হবে। তার ফলে দুটো স্পিসিস কোএক্সিস্ট করবে না, তারা একে অপরের সঙ্গে লড়বে। এটাই হচ্ছে ব্যাপার। ইন্টারাকশানও আছে এবং ইটও আছে। তো এই দিস ইজ সাবসেট অফ বিহেভিয়ার। সো টু আইডেন্টিক্যাল স্পিসিস ক্যান নট কোএক্সিস্ট। দিস ইজ এ গসিয়ান প্রিন্সিপাল, নট গস অফ ফিজিক্স। ওকে, ফিজিক্সের গস নয়, ইনি আলাদা গস, জর্জ ফ্র্যাঙ্কিস গস। ওকে, now next question also, like the earlier question, is a very hard question and very important question. Noise in temperature of sun compared to earth more than dash Kelvin. Now এইটা হবে হচ্ছে সঠিক উত্তর হচ্ছে ডি, দ্যাট ইজ 1 lakh times. ওকে, 1 lakh means 10 to the power 5. Now how it is been exercised or how it is been calculated? Now the power of spectral density of noise expressed in terms of temperature, and this is called Johnson-Nyquist noise. Okay. Okay, now the noise temperature is of 10 to the power 6 K at 50 to 200 megahertz in sun, and 10 to the power 4 at 10 gigahertz when there is a quiet sun. So we can easily extrapolate between these 10 to the power 6 and 10 to the power 4. So out of extrapolation we are getting 10 to the power 5, that is 1 lakh K. Now there is another important question, that the sun's noise are not actually heard, because in human audible the range is 20 to 20K. Now if sun's noise reaches, it will be more than 100 decibel. Okay, so understand how much sound it will produce if it reaches earth. Then human life would not have resisted, or the organism cannot be evolved. Now next question, this is also from science and technology, this is from physics actually. What is the question? That is question number 15. When the power of eye lens increase, power of eye lens increases, the defect of vision produce. What is that defect? This is short sightedness. What happen if power of lens increases? Then focal length will decrease. When focal length will decrease, it will create short sightedness or myopia. The reverse case will be when power of lens decrease, the focal length will increase and it will create long sightedness, this is hypermetropia. And the astigmatism is of imperfect curvature of cornea or lens, so we use bifocal length for that. And color blindness, it is a X-linked chromosomal disease, okay, like hemophilia. Now moving on to the next question, question number 16. Which company has retained its spot as top selling car makers in the world for third straight year? That is option B, Toyota. It's a great achievement, and how much they are spending and making effort on innovation and design purpose. Now next question, a magnetic field can be produced by option A, moving charge, option B, changing electric field, option C, both, and option D, none. So both, we can produce magnetic field by moving charge and changing electric field. Okay. Next question, question number 18. Which among sector use the maximum commercial energy in India? So option C is the right answer, that is industry, because industry actually consumes 41 point something, that is around 41 to 42% of energy in our energy basket, whereas household is the second one, it consumes 25 to 26% of energy, and agriculture sector is a third one, it consumes 17% of energy. Like this, it also have same carbon footprint, so the question may comes in carbon footprint in next year. Now now the next question is from actually history, or this is not a current affairs, this is very hard to remember. The Fukushima nuclear disaster is actually happened in Japan, so it actually happened in 2011. Option B is the right answer. And next question from again science, this is poundal. Poundal is a British unit, okay. So what is a poundal? Four options are given: mass, weight, momentum, energy. Right answer is mass. So pounder is a actually force. Okay. So we know weight is actually force. That force is exerted by the center of Earth, towards the center of Earth, and it is by the Earth. Okay. So it is F. Okay, F is force. So if we calculate, like 1 pounder is equal to 1 pound into 1 foot per second square. Okay, F P is equal to mf, or F is equal to mf. M is mass and F is acceleration. So 1 pound mass and 1 feet per second square acceleration, they are making pounder. So it is unit of weight. Or if force was given in option, force will also be the right answer. Okay, now end of part 2. We will again begin with part 3.